Royalty Brown looked so adorable in a stunning blue dress as she and her mom, Nia Guzman, attended the premiere of Camila Cabello's new movie, Cinderella. Royalty Brown, 7, stole the show at the premiere of Amazon Prime's Cinderella adaptation on Monday, August 30th. The daughter of Chris Brown, 32, attended the star-studded celebration of Camila Cabello's new film with her mom Nia Guzman, 38, at the Greek Theater in Los Angeles, and Royalty adorably stopped for a few photos as she strolled through the purple carpet. Royalty looked like a princess herself in her beautiful blue dress and black shoes, and she added to her dazzling look by carrying around a small but stylish purse. Royalty was captured on the carpet in photos shared to both her and her mom's Instagram feeds. In Nia's post, which can be seen here, the mother-daughter duo held hands as they struck a pose for photographers on the purple carpet. Nia matched her daughter's look by dressing in a light blue dress with a waist-high slit. She also attended the event with a small purse in her hand, just like Royalty did. Royalty also got to pose on the carpet all by herself, and those solo shots were shared to her own Instagram post. The 7-year-old flaunted her giant smile for the cameras, and she looked just as happy in a video that showed her strutting her stuff across the carpet. Camila, Idina Menzel, Billy Porter and the rest of the upcoming film's stars were also photographed on the carpet, but it was Royalty who truly attracted the most attention, and rightfully so. Related gallery. Chris Brown and his kids, see their epic moments together. Royalty's purple carpet appearance comes days after she looked just as adorable on her first day of 2nd grade. For the milestone moment, Nia sent a pic of her daughter standing outside while showing off her school uniform, which included a white short-sleeve top, navy blue skirt, white socks, white and blue sneakers and a black and white headband. Royalty also held her pink backpack on her shoulders as she looked more than ready to kick off another school year. I have a 2nd grader, hear no evil monkey, romantic face, revolving hearts, vertical bar at Miss Royalty Brown vertical bar, seedling, growing heart, Nia proudly captioned her post. Royalty certainly had a fun-filled summer. Recently, she wowed fans when she fearlessly swam and pet a tiger during a trip to the Myrtle Beach Safari in South Carolina, which is run by controversial Tiger King star Doc Antle. Prior to the zoo visit, Royalty reunited with her famous father and her half-brother Iko, during a family vacation to Mykonos, Greece.